Celebrate every new upgrade to your home and live your best life with our best birthday deals. Transform your space with a 3-piece Everest Recliner Lounge Suite for only 22,999, or complete your bedroom wish list with a Restonic Vegas Queen Base Set for just 4899. Go to OK Furniture now. Valid until the 5th of July 2026. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Ngolesithathu ezinsukwini 1st of July kunyaka ka-2026, and indaba zisanophuma I think an hour ago, where Orlando Pirates just confirmed the news of Relebohile Mofokeng. Orlando Pirates Football Club can confirm that it has reached an agreement with Royal Union Saint Gilloise for the transfer of Relebohile Mofokeng. While the two clubs have concluded negotiations over the transfer fee structure of the deal, Orlando Pirates can confirm that the move remains subject to Mofokeng passing a medical examination and finalizing personal terms with the Belgian Pro League side. It's a statement from me, Orlando Pirates, and this is Funda Yonge. You can just go there to the Orlando Pirates website and you will find it. Relebohile Mofokeng, enye yepart ethatha ngayo pha i-Orlando Pirates ithi le deal was concluded before i-World Cup, but both teams agreed ukuthi abazoyichaza up until i-World Cup iphele. But now that iBafana Bafana have been knocked out to World Cup, bonakale there were also videos from News of Africa, umfana esuka e-USA bheke Belgium with an official probably from La Club yase Belgium. Mofokeng is going there now to finalize everything, medicals, personal terms. Solilonge Junior, we can say mhlawumbe 99% the deal is done. Shota nje umfana the team bam announce passing medicals, but we saw Kasbone injury, but we never know. But into esothatha ngayo thina Junior is that umfana uhambile kwela cala. Is it the right time? Is he ready to go and play ngapha kwala cala? Ndikubulise kodwa qala mfethu kunjani?
Shane kunjani maprada?
I'm okay.
Ngibulisa unkululeko maprada. Ngibulisa justice. So team yethu yonke abotho bobo ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting on try to fix South African football. Ayikho into enzeka without the reason, Shane.
Sure.
I mean the boy angeke ngithi ku late, ngeke ngithi it's the right time. Yonke into enzeka ngereason. I mean the boy if bekuyisikhathi somuntu omnyama ophila la emhlabeni okanye umuntu nje human, ngabe umfana kudala hambile. I mean I'm talking about lento esiyibone ngayo first season. Bekumele ngabe uhambile maye ngoba isikhathi sakaNkulunkulu namadlozi omfana ancestors. So yiko ngithi mina yonke into yenzeka ngesikhathi. I mean umfana usiprovile Shane kuBetway Premiership, one of the best talent of this isikhathi eside Orlando Pirates ekhiphile. I know ukuthi a different talent. Actually, easy ukuthola lela talent Shane. There's many talented players, but that one well deserve. It deserve, and well done to Orlando Pirates to nature it, yabo. Well done to Jose Rivero to give the boy a chance. Well done to Wadu also continue taking out the best out of. Well done to my teammate to complement the talent as well. Umfana na ngem compliment to remain humble. I mean, when you're all over, everybody you eliminate labantu to remain humble like easy. I mean, we're talking about the talent that begins him slowly week in and week out. Look at his age, 21, if not mistaken, telling 21. Remain humble, absolutely. Pelu kulma ngomlomo ukuthi let's remain humble, go easy. But when you have to apply it, it's not easy. Discipline. Omunye ngabe dala phuma endleleni. Well done to umndeni walo yamfana, ama parents to grow the boy. Ngoba i-foundation ibalekile. I mean umfana if bekakhula silawula okanye ukhule ekhaya wenza noma yini ayifunayo, bekumele ngabe imali iyamkhipha esiphorweni le boy. Clearly i-foundation supposed compliment ubabakhe noma makhe. Yeah. Mfethu Shane yamfana, I'm happy to him for him. I mean le deal benefit Orlando Pirates benefit the boy. I mean umndeni walo mfana. I mean, you know how many years uyodlala for how long that boy?
Yeah.
We talk about the room for improvement here. So I'm happy for Orlando Pirates. Amadila njengalawa. Amateam amakhulu. These are the things kumele ngabe zenzeka every after discussion, especially with Betty Premiership, especially this big team, they are full of choice. Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns. He plays Zalola Mhlabeni. Any player, if you ask, majority want to play for Chiefs and Pirates. Yes, now currently, because Sundowns they prove themselves now. Or always come to the party. So now they recently came to the party. Abantu bafuna ukudlala Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns.
Yeah.
Mangitama team they are full of choice. Abana reason to not sign a quality players.
Yeah.
So they have to sign quality players. So nya compliment scouting so Orlando Pirates, yeah, compliment I'm fan respond. In fact the positive did very well for him. I think it's the right time, Shane.
Junior, you own a club. Mr. Bloom, he's a businessman from Britain in England. He also owned the club Brighton and Hove Albion. Remember when this club signed Upesitao a couple of years ago? Upesitao also was signed by Brighton, but he was taken to the club Union Belgium. He went back to England to play for Brighton, but it didn't work out. Do you think mhlawumbi also mhlawumbi their bigger picture about the boy mhlawumbi is to take him to play EPL?
Yeah, a stepping stone. Yeah, well, Shane ngisho mina our league. League yes, good improvement because of Orlando Pirates and Sundowns. We won't say the league has improved. These two teams they're competing, two of them. We need to be realistic.
Yeah.
Going there, the boy, Shane, I'm happy in yes, something big is coming for him. This is big, but something bigger. The boy, it deal in Jobusho manje. I mean, umfana uzwe Brighton. That's for me. I mean, you can't ignore the talent umfana nalo. And West is so dedicated and disciplined. So, usprovile na World Cup really. Couple of minutes I told you mbonile usprovile and going there is going to mature speed. Umbonile lo mfana. Each and every game being a fan game ayidlale last week. Like I game ga improve umfana. So, izo 17 le umfana kuya. And I see him playing in Premier League. Uzodlala ku Brighton. Le honestly, mangibheka nje obusho. Nami I heard kancane rumor. Bengekho sure about ukuthi the director also is owning Brighton.
Yeah,
and now uma confirm kanje done. Really, it's a good thing for South African football.
Yeah.
A good thing for Orlando Pirates. Second relationship between Orlando Pirates that team. And there's a relationship now as a creator Gamaga Brighton as well. The HM. Because we do really uzoba face. Really, there's no way you can fail. For me, a talented player, very easy to coach and face. So. Game I see him playing Premiership the next coming 2-3 years to come. Like, less stepping stone. Imbobole. And we confirm with the director is owning that team. Done.
Yes, Junior, abanye abantu bazayichonga kwicala one part because sometimes sathanda ujonga kwicala one ukuthi it's a good deal for Urile, but let's rewind back sibuyele kuMbokazi. Siye kuNkotha, they went overseas. uNkotha we saw into ezenzile World Cup and there are also Mbokazi, yes, ukuthi naye he might go mhlambi to bigger leagues than per USA. But now going back to the club, Londo, do you think mhlambi beke Orlando Pirates kwi spotlight kwezi team ukuthi Mbokazi is coming from Orlando Pirates? Okay, Relebogile Mofokeng, if he does well at Belgium, he comes from Orlando Pirates. Now, as new players, up and upcoming players from Orlando Pirates, i-chances zokuthi baye nabanye overseas idile nje inceda njani club ne players ezidlala team xa bona i-youngsters ziya overseas and zingavalelwa amasango uthe mazi.
Like I say, compliment to Dr. Ivan Khoza mfethu yabo. If you keep people happy, seven Zakumas happy, you can tell. The body language, everything. On the field, Paris players, they are so happy. We have only Paris when they come playing home. Arena, they play anyway. Anyway, it's home game, home ground game for Orlando Pirates because of the brand of football they play. But the brand of footballians are Uchabula, pay people nice and treating seven Zakogat. So Paris players they are so happy. So compliment to the director, compliment scouting sabo. So it didn't generation. Jobang Shilo, Uri Loyo by face. Yeah, couple of players that joining Orlando Pirates, especially whether I'm a newcomer, whether players that are playing there, HSS society in lab, bona labafana bosema. I mean, anything can happen. Honestly speaking, I want to it tells about Tito Masongai. You really, for me, I don't think it's gonna fail. Yeah, but I mean, the mfana lo yodlala away. Yini ezomenza ukuthi ayenze izinto ezilongo ukuthi uhlulekile ukuzenza South Africa. Ukusuka la kuyevali 30 minutes. So in Europe, couple of hours you fly, and then you go and do things engekho right there. You don't know. Umndeni wakho awukho ngara. I mean, your family. We share like South Africa. No manga buamba no mhlambi girlfriend whatever. But for now the point just need to focus for himself and umndeni wakhe. So manje yini ezomenza ukuthi aphume sport. So I don't see him ngetalent analo failing. So iPirates njoba ngisho kune relationship eyo creator manje. For me the relationship has started. So kuzoba easy couple of players. After 2 seasons ukuthi bathi kunjani Orlando Pirates, we want another player from you guys. I see lo mnyango. I mean, for Orlando Pirates, the deal is going to work for both parties. Really? And because the football, Shane, if we young the guy is the pin sky, the one that is Mfana. Now also create that personal relationship with the really. The more it does well, it's not I mean, now when the history in South Africa, continue in Europe. I mean, you create a relationship. So it's done, Shane. For me, you benefit about team, so I'm so happy for the boy. I'm so happy for Orlando Pirates. Yeah.
Now, with Urile gone, the big questions. Figure now go to Orlando Pirates. Where do they begin the search? Not mhlawumbe for the next Relebo but for uvala iskala. Sigara Lebo Mfokeng. Kuzoba difficult kangakanani uvala esa skala. And who do we have in mind? Mhlambi, players are not okay. If Orlando Pirates can get player 1, 2, and 3, mhlambi bangazama ukuthi bavale isikhala sikarele Mofokeng.
Shane, accent right to compare my player.
Yeah.
Steve Lekule. Relebekhle Mfokeng.
Yeah.
Different talent, different generation. But I'm a player njengalawo. Mele sibe realistic awatholakali easily. I mean, to go to Siakbonu udlala mhlambe for instance Cape Town City, I'm making example. Udlala ku Swallows, we playing for Super Sport, and then you go and join Pirates and Chiefs, you're no longer the same. Now at the age lo mfana kuyo, coming from development ranks, School of Excellence, joining Orlando Pirates TTC, and going to Orlando Pirates first season, you make your mark. Shane, I'm a player you need to be born for that. Are we forced? It's a nature. It's something that comes. Yes, you need effort in everything that you do. You need to put. You need to be disciplined, dedicated. You need to have a sacrifice. Made to sacrifice a lot, but it's a nature. So, total talent. I mean, since we couldn't play for no gift since after Okifta Sean. Asibe, let alone I'm a players really. I'm talking about the talent. I mean, Nama is called gift. When did you play for Scar, Emmanuel Scar? So I'm a player in easily. Call talent in South Africa, but I think Ngulungulu. So, parents and I can tell them funny lawyer. In a sound like we need trouble. In a sound, I know. I mean, that boy, yes, a police they did very well, but that boy. I mean, and don't Shane. I mean, each and every game the boy got raise his hand. Sure. I Shane feature as benefit never showcase. No, because Zimbabwe chola my player. Personally talent I see. But Tito the talent. I'm not too sure he's also a police, but it's not all about him now. It's about the really. Yeah. But honestly speaking, I Shane. When chips are down to win games for Magakone game in Gunzima keep even if it doesn't perform. And he hardly not perform in games. And just being a question obvious, come on, big games, but I this World Cup man just prevail umfana. Shane Chola Lamfano Zobanzima. So Orlando Pirates Meleba in the piece now, and I'm sure Zangobe is good bam yeah. In Zobanzima, yeah, no, in Zimaga could be tough.
Yeah, now Masiva Junior. This move has happened for abanye abafana abancane Junior. ibaluleka kangakanani imove nje ukuthi sibawelise sibase overseas bese bancane ibaluleka kangakanani for i-career zabo ibaluleka kangakanani na for ibafana bafana because you must remember the biggest beneficiaries of zonke ezi deals nje kazisenzeka is that bafana gets to benefit ibaluleke kangakanani into ukuthi sibase bafana abanetalent overseas while bese bancane.
Yeah, very, very important. You saw Ryan, ngihlale ngenza example. Mina I love Brazil.
Yeah.
Ngifene Brazil and ngibengibalandela isikhathi eside. And other team now they follow other countries.
Yeah.
You saw even Mexico played umfana na 17 years. Yabo, World Cup stage. So very important to go rub shoulders with high profile players. Very important player lethu la lambe overseas kule kuyo. So that team magazodlala for national team, it bring a different dimension. I mean, gonna experience. I mean, Upegumbogas is no longer the same player.
Yeah.
Quality, make no mistake. Very wamba, but look at him now. Look at how he developed now. Different player, different. We talking about as Kulungepetu Premiership. He went at World Cup, one of the best defender in the World Cup for me. Unfortunately, because the team in losile, epumile knockout stages. So, but when you check the experiences gained 6 months, something else. So Shane, Urile is very important for young generations, and it's a learning curve. When they ask the question, they don't owe anyone to drink alcohol. They don't need anyone. They don't owe. I mean to say they don't owe anyone to drink alcohol. They don't owe anyone to doing this wrong. Dating different girls. They don't owe anyone. Misuse. Look at this boy, Nation. All over. Media every week, create some headlines every week, but remain humble. You never had to relay with any funny pet story like front cover or whatever, but you really no. Always remain humble, and you never had to umfana. And I'm sure no manga mas umfana in person.
Yeah.
I don't think he's drinking. Look at his body. Yabona shape yayo, all consistent. And look at the performance. I mean, into journalists and was born because nami into journalists yangihlula because of first 6 months. Is worship swing the way you sweat. Now so sneak 60 minutes. I was sneak 90 minutes. So vela ngama patches. But the boy consistent. Learn to full dedication. Made a sacrifice. You can't drink alcohol and play football. That boy give me young child. I don't think he's drinking. I mean, nenyinto urilengi boneng hayo. I mean, really, Sponile, Nabo, Adidas, they invested. Learning care from these kids. With the football, is not only football. You become a business person. As you grow, this boy now, Jobangisho, how many investments am Nananga? Sibonile Nangabo James. So, the learning curve, they need to learn. Now, Afana from Nisho Manje Putwin, Medabafun. It's not all about tournament. Really, a lesson went to under structures, School of Excellence. Azanga fundalela ama tournaments khathesi tebambize former e-wallet whatever. He went to Understructure, School of Excellence, went to GTC Orlando Pirates, GTC first team Orlando Pirates, play of the season, young play of the season, Bafana regular call-up player. Nini now World Cup done, second season World Cup. He's still remaking. Now in Europe, going overseas. So shocking Shane. So it's a learning from these kids with the football and savings. And the football at the early age, you don't have to be late. Touches into very serious. Each and every game, it touches the cup final. And you must create history each and every game that you play.
Junior, thank you so much, my brother, for your analysis. Tita naige Juni Yakanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Now you dlala semncane le football. Dlala big teams, Kaizer Chiefs. We all know him. Maritzburg United. Mr. Ngeu, I only wanted to mention one team. Now Mr. Ngeu, okay, Maritzburg United. But that's Junior Kanye. I mean, Gubani omnye onokuniki advice ngendlela yoziphatha better than him because he's experienced it all. He's done it all. He's played the football. But for myself and Junior Kanye, enkosi kakhulu for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.